Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so this is my 6 a.m. unboxing of Look Up Lashes jewelry mystery box. Let's get started. Okay. Oh my god. All I see is shiny and beautiful stuff in front of me. Let's show you guys beautiful hair clips. A thank you note. Ooh, is this the bracelet? Yes. Oh man, I don't know if it's gonna fit me, but this is beautiful. I have wanted a bracelet with charms on it for so long. It's got pearls and charms like money pieces. It has a little cross right here, right there. Oh my gosh, and a heart over here. Oh, I hope this fits me. I'm not very good at doing bracelets by myself. So I'll keep it in here so my cat won't steal it. So there's that. And then we have a beautiful necklace. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, this is a super long necklace. It matches the bracelet. Okay. And then we have earrings. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Oh, look at how pretty these are. This one got twisted around. Hold on a second. Let me fix it and I'll show you. Look at how gorgeous these earrings are. First off, I love hoops. Second, hoops with rhinestones. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to wear these. I'm wearing these tonight to my girlfriend's house. I haven't seen her in weeks. We're going to social distance and hang out. Oh my gosh. This is the really big. I ordered this in addition to this jewelry mystery box. Look at how big these hoops are. They're gigantor. I cannot wait to wear these. Oh my goodness. This is totally cool. Let's see. I'm going to put some on. Hold on. Okay, here's the hoops. They totally like touch my shoulders. These are the best. Oh my gosh, I love this. Yes. Aren't these cool? Don't these take you back to like, oh, I don't know, like 1994? What? With like big eyebrows drawn on. Well, not big, but they were like totally drawn on black eyebrows. Big hair in the front, like bigger than this. Big hair. Yes. These are awesome. Thanks, Maya. Thanks, Looking Up Lashes, or lookuplashes.com. I always get that wrong the first time. Lookuplashes.com if you guys want to order some jewelry. All right. Thanks, you guys. Take care. I'll see you soon.